Welcome the our channel. Today we how to restore title tags for higher CTR using Google Search Console. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Access your Google Search Console account. Select the website you want to optimize. Navigate to the performance section on the left sidebar. Click on Queries to see the list of keywords driving traffic to your site. Identify keywords with high impressions but low click-through rates. Take note of the pages associated with these keywords. Next, click on the Pages tab to see which specific URLs are underperforming. Review the title tags of these pages in your website's source code. Consider the relevance of each title tag to its content. Check if the current title tags are too long, too short, or not engaging enough. Make a list of potential improvements for each title tag. Use relevant keywords from your identified list to craft more compelling titles. Aim for a length between 50 and 60 characters for optimal display in search results. Incorporate action words to encourage clicks. Once you have the new title tags ready, access your website's content management system. Edit the title tags for the identified pages. Save your changes and ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Return to Google Search Console and monitor the performance of these pages over time. Look for improvements in click-through rates after making changes. Make adjustments as necessary based on performance data. Continue to iterate and refine your title tags for ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.